Imagine if you could turn what you love into your livelihood. If every talent you have could not only bring you joy, but also make you money. Sounds empowering? Well, that's exactly what we are talking about today. Whether you are in your 20s, 30s, 40s, even 50s, I'm going to show you how your passion, skills, and ideas can be transformed into real income. The truth is, the world pays for solutions, and each one of us has a unique solution to offer. If you have got solution, you've got skills and ideas, why don't you just get paid for it and make extra income from there? Welcome to the FAM Podcast.
Welcome to the FAM Podcast, a podcast about finance and mental health, teaching you good monetary habits to increase your income and improving your relationship with money, all while helping you with your mental well-being. And now here's your host, Braimoh.
I'm Braimoh, and today we are diving deep into a topic that is very important to me, and I'm very sure they are also very important to you. And that's how each of us can create our own wealth by simply tapping into what we are already good at. No more waiting around for opportunities. Today, we are talking about creating them. We'll explore 4 powerful ways you can turn your skills, passion, and ideas into $1,000 in a week. How does that sound? You see, the world is full of problems, and people are willing to pay for solutions. You just have to decide what problem you are going to solve. Let's break this down together. Number 1 is freelance your skills. Solve a problem with what you are already good at. First, let's talk about freelance work. Here's the reality. Every skill you have can solve someone else's problem. Are you good at writing, graphic design, coding, or even organizing? There's someone out there who needs exactly that. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are filled with clients looking for experts just like you. Imagine offering your writing skills to a small business that needs social media content now. Imagine using your ability to help a startup build their own website. It's not about being perfect. It's about being able to solve someone else's problem. Start small, build a portfolio, and you will be surprised how quickly you can grow. There are people who have made thousands just by turning what they love into service. You're talented. Your skills is valuable. Start offering it and watch the world paid for it. Those who are wealthy today, those who have this money, they have one secret. And that secret is they are able to provide solution to a problem. If you are able to do that, you're just on your way making money. Number 2, turn your passion into profits. Here's the deal. If you have a passion, there's an audience for it. Maybe you love planning, organizing, or creating art. You can turn that passion into something others are willing to pay for. With tools like Canva, you can create digital planners, guides, templates, even art prints, and sell them on Etsy or any other platform, even eBay or even on Amazon. Once you create that product, it keeps selling and you keep making money. Whether it's just $10 at a time, it all adds up. And the beauty of it, this is passive income. Once your product is up, it keeps making money. Think about what people ask you about, what you often help friends with. That's the starting point for a profitable digital product. You have the passion. You don't even know you can able to transform that into profit. Number 3, create content. You have a voice and it's worth something. Next up, content creation, like what I'm doing right now. We live in an age where sharing your experience can translate directly into income. For example, YouTube. TikTok, and even Instagram can be powerful tools if you are willing to share what you love. Maybe you love cooking, reviewing tech, or teaching people how to budget. Every single passion has an audience. Like what I'm doing right now, I'm just sharing my skills, my experience with you, what I've known over the years, what I've studied, what I've researched, and is working. The key to success here is consistency and authenticity. Imagine sharing content about cooking, budget-friendly meals, and monetizing through ad revenue, brand partnership, or even creating your own recipe ebooks. Money is made when you become the solution to someone else's needs or wants or even a problem. Whether it's teaching them how to cook or simply making them laugh, you have something to offer. It's time to let the world say it. Don't hide it. You've got passion. Share it. Say it. Because only you can genuinely share your own story. Nobody can do that for you. Number 4, turn problems into profits. I will explain. Let's talk about item flipping. This is about turning undervalued goods into profit by solving a simple problem, finding good deals. This is something you can do with almost no initial investment. Go to local garage sales, clearance section, or thrift stores and find items you could sell for more. Maybe electronics now, vintage clothes, or even furniture. There are countless success stories of people making thousands of dollars, pounds, just by flipping items on eBay, Facebook Marketplace. It's about seeing values where others don't, and that's a skill you can learn and profit from. If this is resonating with you, if you are feeling inspired, subscribe to the Farm Podcast right now. Let's change our mindset from waiting for income to creating it. Share this episode with someone who needs this push and drop a comment. What skills, passion, or ideas do you have that you could start profiting from today? Share your idea and start turning your passion, your ideas into profits and make good money from it. You got talent within you. People are looking for solutions from you. I know there is someone out there listening to this thinking, I'm not sure if I have anything to offer. Let me tell you something. You do. Every single one of us has a unique skill, a unique voice, or a passion that can be turned into profits. Money flows to value. The more value you bring into the world, the more you'll be rewarded. Whether it's freelancing, creating digital products, sharing your passion through content, or flipping items for profits, the opportunities are endless. All it takes is the belief that you have something valuable to offer. And trust me, you do. You can create income, freedom, and security, not by waiting, but by tapping into what you already have inside of you. You've got talent, you've got skills. That is something you are good at. Why not turn that passion, that skills into money-making venture for yourself? And you see how much you can be raking in every now and then, every week. So here is your mission. Take a look at what you love doing, what skills you have, or what problem you could solve, and start today. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't is simple: action. The world needs what you have, and someone out there is waiting to pay for it. Let's take this journey together. Subscribe to the Farm Podcast, share your thoughts with us, and let's empower each other to create lives where money is a tool, not a stressor. Remember, personal finance is personal and your mental well-being is priceless. Every step you take to create income from your passion brings you closer to the freedom you deserve. Until next time, stay fabulous, stay safe, and start making those money. Until then, stay blessed. Bye-bye.
Thanks for tuning in to another episode of the FAM Podcast. We hope you learned something valuable today. Be sure to subscribe wherever you heard this podcast so you never miss a future episode. And remember, health is wealth, and wealth is health. We'll see you next time.